Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and this video is for the bracelet giveaway. Sorry, I meant to do it last week or the week before, so very delinquent on this. It's for the G-Shock clone combi bracelet. This is from AliExpress or eBay, whichever it is. Hopefully my computer will last long enough. It's very old and the battery is horrible on it. And actually, I don't know if I'll get service out here in the workshop. But anyway, and this bracelet as well. So this is for 4,500 subscribers. And at 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away this Casio Pathfinder, which was kindly donated to the channel. I think it's a Pathfinder. Anyway, it's ABC, altimeter, barometer, compass. Nice watch, and really appreciate the subscriber for donating this to the channel for the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. It's a cool watch, a little bit big for my 6.5-inch wrist, but I think it would serve you very well. All right, so let's do this. Hopefully it works. I'm trying to do this through the screen, and the tripod's in the way. So this is the video here. Well, it's an ad right now, but let's see, we can skip this. So this is the giveaway video here. So pause that, and we'll copy this, Control C, and then we'll paste that in here. Control V. Filter duplicate users, and that should do it. Looks like this thing's changed a little bit. 5 plus 7, what is that? 12. Let's see. Let's start and let's see if it works. Let's see, nothing's happening. Alright, let me pause the video and I'll see if I can hotspot from my phone. Alright, hooked it up to my cell phone, so hopefully it works. Oh. Let's see. Okay, I see what I did wrong. So I probably was connected to the network. Okay, 30 comments. Now let's run this. Okay, JP is the winner, and that's funny because he's actually the one that reached out to me and commented on my video asking about the giveaway. So that works out well, I guess. Okay, so if JP doesn't contact me, let's pick 2 more folks just for backup here. I'm pretty sure it was JP that commented. Okay, this is the backup person. Okay, Giorgio Vorg HF is backup, first backup, and then second backup. Let's see, let's pick another winner. So why does it do this? Okay, so if I don't hear from, I think it was JP and then GOVHF, Kelly will get the next choice. So, all right, that will conclude this video. Sorry for the technical difficulties or user error, really. But yeah, that's for these 2 bracelets here. Just send me an email, and we'll get these shipped out to you. And then again, we're at I think 4,610 right now, At 5,000, I'll be giving this away. And I still have those Casio Duros to give away. I'll try and get a video out here within the next week or so for the Casio Duro. I'll just I'll give one away per video, and I'll let whoever wins pick what color they want. So that's how I'll do that. But anyway, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.